Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, today we'll do one question of economic order quantity where we are having some typical items in the question. Let us try to understand it. We'll go for reading the question. The purchase manager of an organization has collected the following data information for one of the class items. Interest of locked up capital 20%. That means this is normal rate of return or industry standard where capital should get 20% of returns. Order processing cost in rupees for each order rupees 100. Inspection cost per lot rupees 50. Follow-up cost for each order rupees 80. Here inspection cost, follow-up cost, these are relating to ordering cost. When products are arrived, we need to inspect them, that is inspection cost. When we place an order, we are required to get delivery on time, so there is need of what? Follow-up cost. Pilferage while holding the inventory. Pilferage means a kind of loss which is not avoidable, so that is relating to holding of inventory, so it is relating to carrying cost. Other holding cost means carrying cost. Other procurement cost for each order. Procurement means here purchase, that is ordering cost. Annual demand is given 1000 units. Cost per item, it is given rupees 10. What should be economic order quantity? First we will try to find out annual demand. It is clearly given in the question. Annual demand is 1000 units. Next we are required to find out ordering cost per order. Here they have given order processing cost for each order rupees 100. Inspection cost per lot rupees 50. Follow-up cost for each order rupees 80. Other procurement cost for each order rupees 170. We can add all these items to arrive at value of O. Next we are required to find out carrying cost. Interest of locked up capital 20%. Pilferage while holding inventory 5%. Other holding cost 15%. This information is relating to carrying cost. Here we have total carrying cost 40%. Purchase price is given rupees 10. So carrying cost per unit is rupees 4. So we have all the information required for calculation of economic order quantity. we can complete the equation. So approximately economic order quantity is 448 units. So in this question we have understood how to calculate various items of ordering cost and carrying cost. Thanks for watching this video. Stay in tune with Ekeeda and subscribe to our channel Ekeeda. Thank you.